Welcome to Athens, a city where history whispers from every corner, especially under the shadow of its crowning glory, the Acropolis. As we wander through the misty streets on this rainy day, let's unravel the tales that have shaped Athens, a city as timeless as the myths it cradles. As we weave through the lush greenery surrounding this historic hill, every path, every clearing offers a unique perspective of the Acropolis. These woods, alive with the whispers of history, provide a serene backdrop to the ancient stone structures that have watched over Athens for millennia. The mist around us adds a mysterious veil to the city, much like the myths that are an integral part of its history. These streets remember the footsteps of ancient playwrights, politicians, philosophers, and warriors. Each stone has a story, every monument a legacy of a civilization that laid the foundation for much of Western culture. Nearby, the Odeon of Herodes Atticus reveals itself, an amphitheater that has withstood the test of time. Its arches and stone rows, once the setting for music and theater, continue to echo the artistic soul of ancient Greece. Imagine the performances that once captivated audiences under the same sky we stand beneath today. This ancient amphitheater, with its remarkable history, not only reminds us of the artistic grandeur of yesteryears, but also connects us to the enduring spirit of Greek culture. The Odeon has been a silent witness to changing times, from the days when it hosted renowned philosophers and playwrights to the present, where it serves as a cherished venue for concerts and festivals. Its resilience mirrors that of Athens itself, enduring through the ages, and its stones seem to hold memories of the myriad of emotions expressed through the arts. As the rain gently falls on its time-worn steps, each drop resonates with the echoes of applause and melodies that once filled the air, bringing the Odeon's rich heritage to life in our imaginations. In this serene setting, the Odeon stands not just as a monument, but as a living testament to the timeless allure of art and expression that transcends centuries. From a distance, the Acropolis stands as a testament to Athens' storied past. Its silhouette against the overcast sky is a powerful reminder of the city's enduring legacy. While we may not tread the Parthenon's immediate grounds, the grandeur of the Acropolis as a whole is no less mesmerizing. Even in this quiet, slightly gloomy weather, Athens pulsates with a life uniquely its own. The rain adds a reflective quality to our exploration, each drop a lens through which the beauty of this ancient city is magnified. In this somber and misty ambience, our distant view of the Acropolis is hauntingly beautiful. The grandeur of the Propylaea, the monumental gateway to the Acropolis, emerges through the haze, its once bustling entrance now a silent portal to history. Nearby, the elegant form of the Temple of Athena Nike perches gracefully, its ancient stones glistening with raindrops, a tribute to both victory and enduring beauty. The Acropolis, seen from this vantage point, is more than a historic landmark. It's a poignant reminder of the enduring legacy of Athens. The gloom of the weather does not diminish the site's magnificence. Rather, it enhances the mystic allure and the profound sense of history that envelops these ancient structures. As we absorb this view, the Acropolis stands not just as a testament to Greek heritage, but as a symbol of the resilience and enduring spirit of human creativity. This small journey through the small forests and the historic entrance of the Herades Atticus is a voyage through time. It's a chance to connect with Athens in a more intimate, personal way, to see the city not just for its monumental achievements, but for its enduring spirit and the natural embrace that surrounds it.